Logging into your Facebook account without an email or phone number could seem really hard till you see this video. Alright, we need to firstly do is ensure that you have this time a temporary existing Facebook account. And it doesn't have to be yours actually. So once then you open up Facebook with that, now go to the search bar on the top and find your name there by searching for it. Then here next to message, tap on the three dots and you will be able to copy the link of your profile. Well, right after doing that, get out of this account by completely logging out. Alright, then when you try again get it back to your own account, just log into another account first. Now here in the email and phone number section, simply paste your profile link copied earlier through another account. Then you just leave it as it is. Finally, enter your password and tap the login button. And now you are there in your own profile. Alright, hope that is the easiest one. And that's all for you in this video.